Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab Extreme, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just a home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture in particular is actually visible on your display right now when you're going to be pressing the power button and volume down at the same time to capture a screenshot. You will see this animation and your screenshot will show up at the bottom with delete option, scroll, and I believe that was a share option. As you can see, it automatically disappears after a moment. Now, when it came down to the scroll option, it is accessible when you have content that can be scrolled down, for instance, like your browser. Home screen didn't have anything that it can be scrolled down on, so automatically it was grayed out. And let's see if we do, I believe, have an option to capture a screenshot right here as well. Not sure if this is it. This is kind of it. So as you can see, it has a scissors image for it for some reason. But the way this works is this allows you to capture a specific area of your screenshot. So not an entire screenshot of your entire screen, but for instance, maybe you just want to capture something like a couple of your apps, like this. You drag over a box over them and then click on the check mark, and there we go. There's our new screenshot with also share and delete options visible. Now, once you want to view the screenshots that I've captured, you can navigate to your Photos application and they will be visible under album called Screenshots right over here. And as you can see, there's the screenshot 1 or 2 and screenshot 1. Now, as you can also see, it is in a folder album called the Screenshots, but I'm not sure why I don't have album option on the side right here. Obviously, if you have an album option, you can just go to albums and then locate the screenshots. But it looks like screenshots is, at least in the photos, kind of gets, or at least photos here displays already albums. So you kind of want to find whichever one is yours. Not sure why it's done like that. It's kind of wonky. So for instance, by default, when you have photos, you would always see just photos here, all of them, not an album where you have to click on it. But in any case, whenever you're looking back for your screenshot, just locate wherever it says screenshots and you can either tap on it, or if your screenshot is visible here, you can just tap on it from here, like so. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.